Are you ready for another Rapid City area neighborhood drive-through? Hey everybody, it's Tristan Emond with Mindful Living Realty, your realtor right here in Rapid City, South Dakota, the gateway to the Black Hills. Today we're actually going to go outside of Rapid City to one of the smaller towns surrounding Rapid City, that is Summerset, South Dakota. Today we're going to check out a neighborhood in a town northwest of Rapid City between Blackhawk and Piedmont, and that is Summerset. There are a number of different neighborhoods in this city, but we're going to start with the subdivision actually called Summerset. Its boundaries are Castlewood Drive to the west, Emerald Heights and Mulberry Drive to the south, Bellingham Drive to the east, and High Meadows Road to the north. Homes in the subdivision were built between 2001 and a couple recent ones in 2021. You will find them anywhere from 2 bedrooms to 6 bedroom homes, from 1 to 4 bathroom, most have a 2-car garage, but about a quarter of them have a 3-car garage. On a 0.13 to 0.40 acre lot. That range anywhere between 1,000 square feet to 3,700. This subdivision, even though it's in Meade County, is still within the Rapid City School District. Elementary kids will go to Blackhawk Elementary, which is 5 minutes away. Your middle schoolers will go to West Miller School, 15 minutes away. And your high schoolers will go to Stevens High School, which is also 15 minutes away. However, I know some people in this neighborhood chose to send their children to the Meade School District. If that's your choice, the Sturgis Elementary School is 22 minutes away. The new Piedmont Valley Middle School is only 5 minutes away. And Sturgis Brown High School is 26 minutes away. In 2024, 23 homes sold in the subdivision at an average price of $438,543. They were on the market for an average of 16 days and sold within 98% of listing price. Your closest grocery store is a smaller one just north of Summerset, Lynn's Dakota Mart. But if you want a larger grocery store such as Safeway or Family Fare, that's in Bacon Park, which is about 17 minutes away. The nearest Walmart is 15 minutes away. You can be shopping at the mall in 14 minutes, or at Target, Sam's Club, and other retails at Rushmore Crossing, which is 16 minutes away. You can be downtown in 16 minutes. Monument Health Hospital is 22 minutes away. The nearest leash-free dog park is 15 minutes away at Vicky Powers Park. You're about as far away as you can get from the airport, that's about 30 minutes away. And for our military members, Ellsworth Air Force is about 25 minutes to the main gate. Summerset is between exit 52 on I-90 at Blackhawk and exit 48 at Stage Stop Road. Just to the north of the subdivision, as you're going to exit 448, there's O'Reilly Auto Parts, Dollar General, of course, coffee shop, casino and nail bar, daycare and children's center, your pit stop general store, Pizza Hut carryout and delivery, Conoco gas station, where the Lynn's Dakota Mart that I was talking about earlier is located. Plus you've got Summerset Hotel and Suites, because your relatives don't always need to stay with you. And finally, Blackhawk Marine will take care of your boat like they've taken care of mine. South of the subdivision, Blackhawk, you've got BJ's, that includes Godfather's Pizza and Brunchy's Breakfast and Lunch Diner, Wolfer's Pet Resort that also has pet playdates, the 57718 Post Office, an Ace Hardware store coming soon, and a couple of retail plazas. If you love this drive-thru video, make sure you check out this playlist with other Rapid City area neighborhoods I've driven through. Thanks so much for watching. Have an amazing day. And remember, love where you live.